Sometimes, the biggest challenge to improving energy efficiency is knowing where to start and how to get through the process. Created specifically for existing small to medium-sized facilities, Direct Install is a turnkey solution that makes it easy and affordable to upgrade to high-efficiency equipment. We will provide you with a free energy assessment, and a participating contractor will work with you to cut your facility's energy costs by replacing lighting, HVAC, and other outdated operational equipment with energy-efficient alternatives. The program pays up to 70% of retrofit costs, dramatically improving your payback on the project. Existing small to mid-sized commercial and industrial facilities with a peak electric demand that did not exceed 200 kilowatts in any of the preceding 12 months are eligible to participate in Direct Install. Applicants will submit the last 12 months of electric utility bills proving that they are below the demand threshold and have occupied the building during that time. Buildings must be located in New Jersey and must be served by one of the state's public, regulated electric or natural gas utility companies. Eligible measures include lighting, HVAC, refrigeration, motors, natural gas, and variable frequency drives. The benefits of participating in Direct Install include a turnkey process. A network of selected participating contractors address your project from start to finish, beginning with an assessment of your facility and ending with the installation of eligible energy-efficient equipment. Minimal cost. Your share of the project's cost will be approximately 30%. The program pays the remaining 70%. With incentives so dramatic, your upgrade project can very quickly pay for itself. Fast turnaround time. Project installations are typically completed within 90 days from the time of scheduling your energy assessment. And ongoing savings. Your new energy-efficient equipment will provide savings for years to come through dramatically reduced energy costs on your monthly utility bills. Thanks for watching.